Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun and Tim's Garden. It is late fall and time to close out the gardens. Now this is really a pretty straightforward process for me. What I do is I pull the plants from the garden. They're long past bearing fruit, we're done with them. I put them in the compost pile and they just help feed for next year. The next step in the process is to rake up a bunch of leaves. I live in Minnesota, it's fall, we have leaves all over the ground. Rake them into big piles and I throw them on top of the garden. The reason for this is it's free compost. In the course of the winter, that pile of leaves does this, shrinks down. By springtime, it's just going to be sort of a layer of sludge. You scrape off the layer of sludge, but all that leaf material has disintegrated and filtered into the soil. It's beautiful. It'll make for wonderful soil when we're ready to plant. In the springtime, I'm still going to buy some compost, probably at the local county recycling center. They have a wonderful, wonderful mountain of compost. I think I showed it in last year's video. That's basically it. It's real simple. Now, there's a couple of more things. On the gardens now, covered in leaves, you'll notice I have rakes thrown on them. That's just to hold the leaves down when the wind picks up. After the first couple of snows, get some moisture in there, some weight on top, I'll pull those rakes out. I hope I remember, because you know, you don't want to leave your rakes out in the snow all winter long. That's it. Closing out the gardens, getting ready for next year. Can't wait. Hope you join me. If you haven't subscribed, there's a button, should be right about there. If there isn't, let me know and I'll fix it. Have a great afternoon.